PTO. This is the time when you're technically supposed to be off, right? But I've always had trouble with, being off and then actually setting my time correctly. Even when I'm on PTO, I'll be checking work and not really taking the time off really to reset myself or just relax. That from so this last round of PTO that I took, I tried to do a test to see like if this strategy works. Today, let's break that down and see like what mindset shift can help when you're actually on PTO. A lot of people focus on PTO, just to relax and I don't know, go to the doctors, do whatever you missed out during the work week, which is fine. But every time you take PTO, I feel like it shouldn't be that case. I'm fortunate enough to have a lot of PTO because I never take it, and that's a problem because imagine if you had unlimited PTO. What the hell would you be doing? Like, what would you be doing with your life if you had unlimited PTO? That's the same exact thing as being financially free when you have all the time in the world to travel, do whatever you want. People use PTO. It's your PTO. You earned it. But this time around, I didn't just turn on Netflix and start watching whatever I wanted to watch, right? The Purge, I love The Purge. But this time around, I did a little bit different. So I wanted to test myself and then see how it would work out if I actually planned my personal goals and then actually focused it so that way I can move the needle during my PTO time. Because that's generally what I've done in the past when I had unlimited PTO. So, but this time around, I went back into corporate to see how life is, and my mind's completely changed. So yeah, let's break it down. I'm not gonna go too much into the weeds of what I ended up doing, but more of the concepts. So yeah, let's go to take a seat. All right, back at the desk. Welcome to the channel. I am Tommy Ho. If you are new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Let's go straight into it. The PTO strategy that I took this time was a little bit different than my usual PTO, and I just wanted to share with it, right? I wanted to share with you guys on my approach and then kind of break down 3 points. Again, if you're new to my channel, I talk about 3 points, 3 golden nuggets that I can share. I'm going to add in some references this time around, so please let me know if you guys enjoy this type. Did put in a lot of time to, create these slides and then kind of just visually show you for the future as well too, rather than kind of just tossing out some of the points. I wanted to get a little bit more creative and provide some more value that way. So yeah, let's get straight into point number 1. So point number 1 is going to be on how your PTO reveals your mindset. So PTO it's a mirror, right, for your freedom. And if you had unlimited PTO, what would you do? Like what is the point of you having all the time in the world if you're not planning it out, if you don't know what you're gonna do? It's cool, like I get into slumps where I just want to hang out, watch Netflix, relax a little bit. I'm not saying you can't do that, but you can only do that for so long before you start going into like this constant, I'm going to watch the next thing. I'm going to watch the next thing. Or if you're like scrolling constantly on your phone, trying to figure out like, I don't know, you should get stuck into it. By the time you notice, 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours going to pass by and you've wasted all that time. What did you get out of it? So if you plan it out, break it out, there's going to be times where you can't, where you should relax, and other times where as long as you have some type of flow and process in a system that's going to help you, you're really going to be able to propel to the next level, right? This specifically, is to help folks understand when you have, like, let's say if you've gotten to a point where you're financially free, or just in general, you want to understand like how a millionaire's mindset is as far as how they design it. So according to Forbes, if you look at this right here, 68% of employees and folks use PTO to escape all the stress, right? They're not trying to reset for growth. That's according to Forbes. A lot of people use the PTO to escape their life, and millionaires really, they don't do that. So yeah, that's point number one that I wanted to talk about. You've got like PTO by design, and then you've got PTO to escape. So which one are you? So point number two, like what I was talking about, building systems is going to help you, and then structure in order to have that PTO with purpose. So if your goal is to, just relax, that means that you're already burned out. You're trying to escape it. And if you actually structure your system and, come up with a strategy for the PTO, it's going to help you. You're going to progress a lot further. 84% of self-made millionaires track time weekly. I'm working on this practice to build my systems a lot better. I mean, honestly, I don't even take PTO. That's the first problem. So initially, I didn't really believe in it. I was just like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna not take PTO and just work, just grind. That's a problem. Because this time around, I used it for a different purpose, and it propelled me a lot further to just to see how, like, what I would be doing if I didn't have my job. What is my purpose? So I set up a system. I used ChatGPT. I used Perplexity. Came up with a system, a schedule, to make sure that I follow it. I used it to check up, to make sure that I'm actually following the plan. Things skew away, where life happens. And so these systems, they're not meant to restrict you. They're really meant to give you more flexibility and free you, right? So it's going to give you more peace and at mind. So that way you're not wasting the time and wasting your PTO. So if your intent is to use it to relax, cool, that's your intent. But if you don't have a plan for your PTO, and then you're just like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna go with it, then that's gonna eventually, like, because your goal is gonna be to be financially free, right? That's what my channel is about, is what are you gonna do when you actually have all the money in the world and all the unlimited PTO in the world? What are you gonna do? So that's point number two. Point number three, let's talk about overall time. It's your richest asset. So you've got time, you've got habits, you've got discipline, you've got freedom, then you're gonna get all the wealth. All that stuff is gonna come. But what do you do with that time is what matters, and how you break down that time. Your good habits is gonna go, it's gonna be built into discipline, and then you're eventually gonna build that freedom. So are you gonna go wake up, get a workout in, walk your dogs, take care of your kids, go to the doctor, make sure you're all good? After that, what's next? What's your plan? So according to the Wealth Research Group, wealthy people spend 5 times more hours weekly on self-education. So is that something that you want to think about, is look into self-education? And you can always make more money, right? But you can never make more time. So your time is going to slip away very fast, and then are you going to regret it? I'm at that point in my life where I don't want to regret things anymore, and I'm already starting to take a lot of risks, and they're paying off. YouTube being one of them. I'm just some random dude that you ran into YouTube, but I'm trying to make the best of it, and as long as I get one viewer off of my videos, that gives me purpose. So those are the 3 points. I'm not gonna spend too much more time on them, but think of PTO as an opportunity for you to. Here, let me switch screens real quick. Mac cam. So think of PTO as a time for you to plan for your future. Like what else are you gonna do? So imitate it as if you had unlimited PTO. What would your day look like? It's great practice. You earn that time, but imagine if you had like unlimited time. What's your next step? So that's all I wanted to get out. It's a little the video is a little bit different, but I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I learned, on my PTO and what I did a little bit different. And I did take a week off, and so I was able to gather all the data, gather all the information, see like how I structured my time. And yeah, actually here, let me see if I can actually show you guys what I did on ChatGPT. That might help, right? What did I do here? So yeah, see, watch this. Here we go. So that's YouTube. So you have a personal life coach one. And then I have PTO planning. And then I put, okay, I don't want to show that. So here's what I have. So here's, light walk, mentally unplug. Like, this is some of the stuff that I asked ChatGPT to put in. And then I started working on my app. I have like a healthcare app, Patient Keys, that I've been working on. And I wanted it to break down and see like, hey, how can I actually use my time, like maximize my time? And you can see like there's some stuff in here where it actually tells me to kind of relax and recharge. And so a part of PTO is, to relax and recharge, but the other pieces of it too, like once you actually have your energy back, what else are you gonna do? Like what else time do you have to be able to, focus on personal goals, whether it's health or apps, building stuff, I don't know, working on cars, whatever your goal is, personal goal is, like the intent is to break that down and then just try and see how your life is, when you actually have a structure and plan. And outside of, just going to the doctors and doing some of the small stuff, there's going to be huge windows where you actually have a lot more time than you think rather than wasting it. Because if you keep on going day in and day out with all of your PTO, whether you're not going to take it or you are going to take your PTO, I encourage everyone to take their PTO, but use it with purpose, because you're getting paid for it anyways and you earned it. Just plan it out. So yeah, that's all that I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. If you've been watching up until this point, please let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video. I accept all feedback. Thank you. Have a great day. Catch you guys next time.